to ask Rasulullah. They said to him, Ya Rasulullah, the mother or the father? He turned around and he said, your mother, your mother, your mother, then your father. Yes? Why? Because no doubt that period she carried us in her womb, no father can give what a mother gave in that moment. That period your mother carried you up and down the stairs, walking out, multitasking. I tell you, sometimes when women say we are oppressed, yes, and they say the men always say they are greater than us. Listen, no man is greater than you. A woman can multitask like no mother can, correct? How many times have you seen a mom on the phone, cooking, pregnant, talking? Who could do that? I'm telling you, with me, I can be on the remote control. You can't put me on the phone and remote control at the same time. I will get confused, yes? Our mothers, while pregnant, could cook for the rest of the family, could talk on the phone, could probably drive, even though the two should not be together. But you find that our mothers would be able to do this. Rasulullah, when he said mother, 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 was giving us an indication. You can never give back to that mother what she gave to you for 9 months while you were in her womb. When she carried you, as Imam Zayn al-Abidin says, she carried you like no one else carried you. She preferred the heat so you could be in the shade. Allahu Akbar. Yes? She preferred the heat. She would want the sun to burn her so that you could be protected with the shade. Those 9 months in Islam are so important that, do you know what Rasulullah did in Islamic law? He said a mother can demand payment from her husband for breastfeeding the child in honor of those 9 months. You know, one of the rights of your wives, she can demand from you payment for every time she breastfeeds your child. Why? Because Islam did not want those 9 months to be forgotten. Those 9 months put a mother above all else. And that's why you find, because of that, obedience to the mother became so important that a person cannot utter their shahada when they are dying because of them showing disobedience to their mother. Someone says, how? You know, when we are passing away, don't all of us want to say shahada when we're dying? Correct or no? Every single one of us, when we're dying, we want to be able to say ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, correct? A person who's been rude to his mother, forget la ilaha illallah. Someone says, how? Rasulullah gets called over. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. Ya Rasulullah, can you come home? Said, what is it? Said, there's this mother at home. Her child, her son, is on the bed. That son of hers is dying. We're trying to make him say the shahada. He can't. So what do you mean? He said, shahada is only a few words. You're religious. You're not religious. You should be able to say shahada. He entered the room. He saw a lady sitting down. He saw the young man on the bed. And he looked and he said to her, Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. He said to her, you're his mother? He said, yes. He came near the boy, wanted the boy to say La ilaha illallah. The words La ilaha illallah did not come out of the mouth. Now on mimbar, I'm sitting, I say La ilaha illallah, look how easily it comes out. Rudeness to my mum will block that at the time I want it the most. He looked at him, he said, say La ilaha illallah. Couldn't say. He turned around to the mum, he said to her, how many years have you two not spoken? She said 6. He said, no wonder. A person who's been disobedient to his mom, there is no way the words La ilaha illallah will come out of their mouth. No way. Do your du'as, do your namazes, come to majalis, disrespect your mom, La ilaha illallah doesn't come out. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ لَا تَعْبُدُ إِلَّا إِيَّهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ. Walidain straight after Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, correct? So he said to her, accept and forgive him on my behalf. I'm here, forgive him. As soon as she said, Ya Rasulullah, because of you I'll forgive, straight away, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Straight away. The words came out. Why? Because the young man with the disrespect to the mother, those words would not come out. A person who's shown disobedience, no way. But a person who shows obedience to their mother, Jannah follows him wherever he walks. And the smell of Jannah comes out from him.